but the Kenya at large. So we want to tell you that the Linda Mwananchi vehicle is a vehicle that is going to veer several corridors of this nation with a mass movement, and the Vulgaric pressure will capitulate. The Vulgaric pressure have already capitulated to the head honchos of the Linda Mwananchi Brigade. In the top coach, James Agri Bob Orengo, followed by Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino, Karol Omondi. These are the people that are representing the grievances of the people. So
this is what my question is what exactly happened at Kisumu? Is it a win or a lose? Oh, so if it's a win to Linda Mwananchi, according to the crowd which you saw, what does it sound to the Linda crowd, which is led by His Excellency Oburu Odinga? My name is Shady James and welcome to AEW News. We just take you to exactly what happened and what are the fears of Kenyans and Rwandans. So, people from Kisumu, where the rally happened.
Mwananchi via the Nyanza province. The Linda Mwananchi team is currently being led by Senior Counsel, the Working Constitution, the real political protagonist, James Agri Bob Orengo, by Governor in Siaya County. But we have several suspect demagogues from the Luo Nyanza, being led by this incompetent figure from Alego Usonga, known as Samuel Atandi. He was trying to threaten the vehicle being led by James Bob Orengo, the vehicle being led by Orengo, that they should not enter into Kisumu County. But I want to tell Atandi that you are just a small and a peculiar molecule in Luo Nyanza politics. That's the reason why even development in Luo Nyanza you cannot attend to. The people of Alenga Usonga is suffering from poor infrastructure development, poor health facility, poor education system. Team Babu Owino entered Kisumu County and we thank the people of Kisumu. Watu wa Kisumu sisi tunawashukuru sana. Nyinyi mumetoka kwa wingi mukakaribisha James Orengo, mukakaribisha Babu Owino. After the likes of Pondo Kaluma, the like of this stupid mediocre lady from Homa Bay County known as Gladys Wanga, threatening the vehicle that is being led by James Orengo, that they should not veer Kisumu. They entered Kisumu, the people responded to the call of James Agri Bob Orengo in a mass of a very heavy Vulgaric pressure. Up to now, hatujaona response from this primitive party leader of Odinga Tumbocrats, being led by Dr. Oburu Oginga. We have not confirmed any of feedback from Dr. Oburu Oginga. Oburu Oginga, you have baptized yourself to be a Tumbocrat party leader. You are not the party leader for ODM. You cannot be a party leader for the vehicle that represent the grievances of the people. You are a party leader for Pondo Kaluma, Junet Mohammed, and Gladys Wanga. Up to now, you have not responded to the previous rally in Kisumu being led by Senior Counsel James Agri Bob Orengo. It is like Oburu Oginga, mimi nataka nikupigie saluti leo. Umekubali kuwa Orengo ni senior kwa political ya Luo Nyanza. Wewe umekubali because you cannot compete with James Agri Bob Orengo. These are real political protagonists. Since 1992, this person has been advocating for the rest of the people, but you are there preaching reconnaissance rather than inclusivity to the people of Luo Nyanza, not only for Luo Nyanza people, but the Kenya at large. So we want to tell you that the Linda Mwananchi vehicle is a vehicle that is going to veer several corridors of this nation with a mass movement, and the Vulgaric pressure will capitulate. The Vulgaric pressure have already capitulated to the head honchos of the Linda Mwananchi Brigade. In the top coach, James Agri Bob Orengo, followed by Edwin Sifuna, Babu Owino, Karol Omondi. These are the people that are representing the grievances of the people. So the people of Kenya have decided that they cannot be handled by the suspect demagogues and the glimpse of the unfolding saga of Dr. Oburu Oginga in the top leadership of ODM fraternity. Wewe sasa huja respond kwa hii mambo ya Kisumu. Umekubali Orengo amekushinda. Orengo ni party leader ya ODM na sisi kama wananchi tutakuwa Migori. Na kitu yote kifanyika Migori. Huu mjinga kutoka Alego Usonga, this primitive, a peculiar mediocre by the name of Sam Atandi, you have no any authority, you have no any audacity and temerity to question James Agri Bob Orengo. James Agri Bob Orengo is heavier than you. There is no development. The people of Alego Usonga are suffering from infrastructure development, in peculiar, inconsistent health fatality. Alafu wanakuja kuambia Orengo nini? In fact, in 2027, we are going to procrastinate you from the docket of the parliamentary accounts budget and in the docket of the member of parliament implementation in Alego Usonga. Babu Owino na James Orengo wana lead Luo Nyanza. Orengo being the spokesperson of the Luo Nyanza politics. Hata Babu sahi amesha capitulate kwa hiyo kitu. Because Orengo is a senior. Kama Babu mwenyewe anakubali Orengo ni senior, who are you? You are just a stupid wolf, a stupid demagogue. We have warned you. Linda Mwananchi imechukua Nyanza. Sasa sijui Ruto wewe utakulia wapi sahi. Nashangaa kuona wewe ukienda mahali wewe unabeba watu na magari. Yatupaka utoe pesa ndio watu waende wajaze ground. Watu wakupendi, bwana, one time ni real. Na utaheshimu team Linda Mwananchi. Thank you very much.